Replit has been buzzing in the developer community lately, but does it live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into what makes this platform tick and whether it's really the best AI coding tool out there for developers. Replit is an online coding platform that allows developers to write, run, and share code right from their browser. It supports a variety of programming languages, which is a big plus for anyone looking to dabble in multiple coding environments. The user interface is pretty intuitive, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned developers. One standout feature is the collaborative coding aspect. You can work on projects with others in real time, which is fantastic for team projects or educational purposes. However, I noticed that while the platform is robust, some advanced functionalities might feel a bit limited compared to full-fledged IDEs like Visual Studio or IntelliJ. Also, the AI coding assistant is a nice touch, helping to suggest code snippets and debug issues, but it's not perfect and sometimes misses the mark. Overall, while it's a powerful tool for quick prototyping and learning, there are areas that feel a bit underdeveloped for more complex projects. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Replit's collaborative features and ease of use make it a great option for beginners and teams. The ability to run code in the browser is a major convenience, eliminating setup hassles. However, it's not without its drawbacks. For more serious developers, the limitations in advanced features can be frustrating. Plus, there are concerns about performance with larger projects. It sometimes feels sluggish. Pricing can also be a sticking point, especially if you're looking for premium features, which might not justify the cost for all users. If you're a hobbyist or just getting started, Replit could be a perfect fit. But if you're a pro looking for a comprehensive coding environment, you might want to explore other options. In the end, Replit is a solid choice for those new to coding or for teams needing a quick collaborative tool. However, seasoned developers might find it lacking for more complex needs. If you're curious, it's worth a try, but don't expect it to fully replace traditional IDEs just yet.